In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a all the mods 10 server on Bisecthosting. So what you want to do is you want to first of all make sure that you have a Java Edition server. And I'm just going to be straight up honest with you guys. All the mods 10 is a pretty heavy mod pack, so you are going to need a pretty good subscription in order to actually run it smoothly. So it will require a significant amount of RAM, so just keep that in mind. And if you don't have the highest amount of RAM on your server, then you may need to actually upgrade your plan in order for the server to run smoothly. But anyways, you just want to go ahead and press on stop on your server, go to the left menu, then select over here where it says Minecraft Tools, then select on Minecraft Jar. Now, once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go over here to where it says Mod Loader. Then it just scroll down until you see this option that says CurseForge. So it is right over here. And all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then type in all the mods. And then you should be able to find all the mods 10 right over here. So keep in mind that it requires up to 10 gigabytes worth of RAM in order for it to run smoothly. So it definitely is going to put a significant amount of strain on your server. So for me, I only have 4 gigabytes of RAM. So if I try to install it, it's actually going to be incredibly laggy, but nonetheless, you can still go ahead and install it right over here. You can go ahead and press on proceed anyways, or you can upgrade your plan, and then you're able to select on your Minecraft version and your jar version, then go ahead and press on next, and then you guys will need to determine what you want to do with your existing files. So you can delete the files permanently, or you can store existing files in an empty instance. If you have any other extra empty instances, I already ran out of them, or you guys can install a new jar on top of existing files. So this is 100% up to you. So I'm just going to select on delete files, then press on next, then press on confirm, just like so. Now, this may take a little while to install because keep in mind, all the mods 10 is a pretty big mod pack. And again, you are going to need a server with a lot of RAM in order to actually run it smoothly. So I just want to be as transparent as possible. And as you're able to tell, all the mods 10 is already installed. So you can go ahead and press on home, then start your server, and then go ahead and join it. Keep in mind that you will need to have this mod pack installed both on the server, which we just did, and also on your local device. So before I join it, I need to install all the mods 10 on my personal computer, and then I'm able to go ahead and join the server. So keep that in mind, and I just want to make that clear to avoid any confusion. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.